Get acquainted with the 2023 Acura MDX. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Don't miss the chance to experience the luxury and performance of the MDX. Call us today to set up a test drive.